What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino. This is the Progress Bar. And ladies and gentlemen, it is the last week before the start of fall here in the Western Hemisphere. That's right, folks. It has been a fantastic summer of cocktails here on the channel. I've made some delicious tiki cocktails, some great stirred cocktails, all kind of stuff. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed them too. As a matter of fact, down in the comment section, let me know if you made any of my cocktails this summer. Which one did you make and which ones were your favorites? I really would love to hear back from you guys, all right? So today I'm gonna end with a really unique summery cocktail called Heart-Shaped Box. Now, Heart-Shaped Box is the name of one of my favorite songs from Nirvana. And if you've been watching the channel during the summer, I've been making a lot of cocktails that had a musical element to them. And this one is no different. But what makes this one actually really unique is that it has an ingredient that I've never used before in a cocktail, at least not directly, and that is balsamic vinegar. And I've made shrubs before which use vinegar, and I usually use apple cider vinegar for those. So this uses balsamic vinegar, and it sounds like a really interesting cocktail. It's got some muddled fresh fruit. I'm really excited to try it, all right, folks? Now, this cocktail was created by Farran over at Death & Co. And when it comes to Death & Co, man, I gotta tell you, those guys are always hitting home runs, all right? So before I make this cocktail though, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around, because we're about to boogie down. All right, so let us look at what is in the sauce for our heart-shaped box cocktail. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna muddle a strawberry in here, okay, folks? So I love muddled strawberries in cocktails. The Kentucky Buck is one of my favorite cocktails that uses muddled strawberries. So you're gonna wanna muddle this real nice just to make sure it breaks up in there and you get all those strawberry juices. Fresh strawberries muddled, that's my thing, baby. All right, there we go, beautiful. All right, so then the next thing you're gonna wanna do, sorry for the noise, is you're gonna wanna do a 1/4 ounce of cinnamon syrup. All right, here we go. I got some freshly made. Mine is a 2-to-1, so I'm gonna go a little light on the cinnamon syrup. Like again, I make all my syrups very rich. All right, and now we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. Okay, I got my super lemon here. All right, excellent. And then you're gonna do 3/4 ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. I'm gonna be using Saint Germain, which is old reliable there. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of cognac. I'm gonna be using Pierre Patou. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'll let Rob correct me on the French pronunciation thing there, right, folks? All right, excellent. And then here's the fun part. We're gonna be doing a 1/2 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, right, folks? Let me make sure I don't overdo it here. So maybe I should pour it over here just in case I pour too much. Oh, perfect, perfect. There we go, excellent. I don't want to overdo it with the balsamic, could ruin the cocktail. Okay, and then you're gonna do 1 dash of Angostura Bitters. All right. And now let's go ahead and add ice to our shaker. So there was a lot of ingredients in that bad boy, so I'm expecting a very complex cocktail. All right, so we're just gonna shake that for 10 to 15 seconds. All right, folks, I think we shook that bad boy up enough. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this because the strainer in these aren't great for fruit. I'm gonna be serving that in a rocks glass, and first thing I'm gonna do is strain out the juice. All right, here we go. All right, there we go. Excellent. The smell coming off of this is definitely different. I mean, you're definitely getting that balsamic scent, but you're picking up the elderflower as well, and even the strawberry. So this has definitely got a lot going on, at least on the nose. All right, absolutely stunning. We're gonna put this to the side. All right, and then we're just gonna fill that up with some crushed ice. All right, that thing almost fell over, but it did not. All right, so let's fill this up with some crushed ice. All right. All right, so I'm gonna give this one little last scoop there. You got some spillover, but that's nice. It looks nice on Instagram, all right? And then he's gonna garnish that with a couple of strawberry slices. Lay that over there, just try to be all funny and pretty with it. All right, there we go, folks. All right, so there it is, our heart-shaped box cocktail. All right, folks, let's go ahead and give our last cocktail of summer a sippy sip, our heart-shaped box. Cheers. Oh, that is crazy good, dude. Whoa. I don't say dude often, but this deserved it. Oh, yeah. That is delicious, guys. Really, really good. It's sharp, but it's bright, and it's got some really intense flavors going on, but it's sweet at the same time. It has a really good balance of flavors here, guys. Oh, that's really nice. Really enjoying it. And that balsamic is what's giving it kind of like a little bit of those sharp notes, maybe a little tart. And then you take the fresh strawberries, which can often have some tartness to them as well. This is a really good cocktail, guys. Really, really highly recommend. I'm so glad that we ended summer with a bang. This is the perfect cocktail to end summer with. It's refreshing, it's delicious, and it is rewarding. All right, folks? Anyway, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share it with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.